Chinky, what do you got? Oh, you're squeaking. Daddy got you a new toy today? Chinky, let me see what it is. What's your new toy? What'd you get today? Where is it? Go get it.
Just a final round.
What is it? You like it or no? What? What is all that about? You like your new toy? Squeak it, Drink. So mean. Get it. What? You gonna attack it? Take it. Can you sit? Sit down. What is all that talking about? Take it. Take, look. Look at me. Drink. Look. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good girl. Now what are you talking about? You talking? You got a new toy and you don't like it. You want your bone back, huh? You want your bone back? You want your bone back? Oh. Come here. Come here. What? You want your bone back? Yeah. Daddy took your bone. Good girl. Okay. We're going to get a treat if you listen. Can you listen? Sit down. Sit. No, I said sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay, stay, stay. Can you lay down? Down. You stay. I'll get you a treat. Okay, you stay. Good girl, treat. You stay. Don't move. I'm going to be right back. You stay right there. I'm going to go get your treat. You have to stay. Hey, you move. Get back. Get back. Over here. Treat. Come. Sit. No, I don't want your toy. I want you to listen. Sit. Down. Lay down. You stay. I'll be back with your treat. You stay. You stayed all that time. No, 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 no. I didn't tell you to leave yet. I didn't tell you to leave yet. Down. You're supposed to wait. Okay. Here you go. Come on. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Say thank you. Say thank you.